In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Steam screenshots on your PC. So the first thing I'm doing here is opening Steam and waiting for everything to fully load. Once I'm signed in and on the main screen, I'm heading up to the top left corner where the menu bar is located. I'm clicking the View tab because this is where Steam keeps extra tools and media options. From the drop down menu, I'm selecting Recordings and Screenshot. As soon as I click it, Steam opens the Screenshot Manager, which is the place where all screenshots captured through Steam are organized. I'm giving it a moment to fully load so all saved images appear correctly. Now that the Screenshot Manager is open, I'm looking through the available screenshots until I find the one I want. I can usually browse by game or by image list, so I'm just selecting the desired screenshot that I want to locate on the computer. At this point, I'm looking for the folder icon labeled Show on Disk next to the screenshot. This is the shortcut that opens the actual folder location where the screenshot file is stored. I'm clicking that icon now. Once I click it, Windows File Explorer opens automatically and takes me straight to the folder containing that screenshot. From here, I can view the file directly, move it, copy it, rename it, or upload it anywhere I want outside of Steam. I'm taking a quick second to confirm the correct images in the folder. If I selected the right screenshot in Steam, the matching file should already be highlighted or visible in the folder window. I'm also doing a quick recap while it's fresh. I opened Steam, clicked the View tab in the top left corner, selected Recordings and Screenshot, opened the Screenshot Manager, selected the screenshot I wanted, and clicked the folder icon labeled Show on Disk. If I need more screenshots later, I can return to the same manager and repeat the process for any other image saved through Steam. And that's really all there is to it. Once you know where Screenshot Manager is, finding Steam screenshots on your PC becomes quick and simple, and you can access the original files anytime you need them.